Can you please explain in detail how one can develop love and devotion?
Can you please explain in detail how one can develop love and devotion? The detailed answer is you cannot. Love and devotion cannot be developed. All things that we develop are developed by the mind. Love and devotion is not a mental process at all. Love and devotion happens. When we are experiencing love, we become devoted automatically. It's the power of love that pulls us and makes us devoted. It's amazing how love operates. We have had experiences, all of us, falling in love instantaneously. When you fall in love with somebody or you experience the love, do you fall in love or do you experience love? That's a question. Is there a passive and active role in this, in love? When you fall in love, somebody has pulled you. A Persian Farsi mystic has said, Ishq awwal dar dile mashuk paida mishwal, which means love is first born in the heart of the beloved. The lover is not the creator of love. The beloved is. Is the lover then a lover or a devotee? You can't distinguish the two. Because love is a strange experience. It pulls you, and at the same time you become a devotee, and the one that you think is the beloved is the lover who pulled you. So it's a very simultaneous process. Cannot be developed, but comes automatically. That devotion that comes by experience of love is the only true devotion. If you are trying to develop something, it's a mental exercise. People try to develop love and devotion, and then they get caught up into the mind's games. And most of the time, when people are trying to develop love and devotion, more doubts and more mental hurdles come in the way. Don't try to develop love and devotion. Experience the love, and devotion will come automatically to you.